Today, I'm gonna be testing if coconut oil and vinegar can fix the scratches on your car. But first, some context. A few months ago, I started an Instagram channel, essentially where I test or debunk viral hacks and products from the internet. My first ever post was testing this hack. Can vinegar and coconut oil fix the scratches on your car? But in less than 3 months, this post, in the truest form of the word, went viral. It has over 80 million views, and it's not because, I'll be the first to say, it's a work of art. It's actually one of my least favorite posts, but it created some serious controversy in the comments. For example,
at first it was awesome. Some people said, I tried it, it worked. Then I got a lot of this. The scratches will reappear, or a lot of people saying the scratches would come back over time. Then of course, leave room for the know-it-alls. These are not scratches, these are scuff marks. Very big difference. But my favorite were all the people that told me what I could use instead. Toothpaste, sunscreen, Windex, the list went on.
So clearly the jury's still out. Which brings us to today. Before we test this, let me say 2 things. 1, sorry for not testing it fully the first time. Really stopped at the 10-yard line there. My bad. And number 2, I'm super excited for this YouTube channel. Obviously, I'm just starting. Would love it if you subscribed and supported. The idea is not to retest things that I messed up on. The idea is to test bigger and better things as the channel grows. As always, send me any ideas you have. I'd love to hear from you. All right, let's close the loop once and for all on this hack.
I'm gonna keep this part nice and short. Mix equal parts coconut oil and vinegar into a small bowl. Take it out to your car, find the scratches, and then put that mixture onto a damp cloth or rag. Then simply just wipe it down. And as you can see, the scratches are going away right now. And then I gave it a little bit of time. It actually got some rain and quite a bit of sun. And here are the results.
Well, there it is. Coconut oil and vinegar is in fact not a viable solution to fixing the scratches on your car. Now you know, now it's been tested fully. Thanks for watching. Until next time.